Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Cherise and I make all kinds of fitness related content, dances, trends, that type of stuff. But in this particular video, I'm doing another Chloe Ting challenge. This one is the 2024 Hourglass challenge, and if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that over the last almost 3 years already, I've been doing a lot of Chloe Ting challenges and I've lost a significant amount of weight. That is why I was so excited to start this challenge, which is weight based again. So it's basically weightlifting. It focuses on glutes and secondaries, upper body and your abs. So far I'm actually quite far into the challenge already, but here's day one so long. These are my measurements and this is how day one went. The aim of this challenge is to recomposition my body, meaning giving it an hourglass effect and shape. I'm not that big into weight loss anymore. I don't mind losing a little bit more weight, but that isn't my focus with this challenge. I will show you at the end of this 26 days my results on a separate video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them so long on this video so I can answer them in the next. Time to go in. Okay, let's get started. Let's go. Not as bad as I expected. I actually haven't gained any weight, I just got flabby. But okay, let's go start day one. Alright, just gonna tie up my hair and then I'm good to go. Okay, the challenge that we are starting is the new 2024 Hourglass challenge. So I'm just gonna go. And that's how quickly you can just start a challenge. Okay, so now basically it puts us in with the dates and everything like that. Today we have a lower body warm up, a 20-minute hourglass booty and legs, and then an 8-minute cool down. And I'm gonna do all of them. Warm ups, cool downs every day as well. I love doing it. It prevents injuries. So yeah, I highly recommend it. See you guys now. My weights are 7.5 kgs each, just for reference. Let's get started. I'm sweating like crazy. My hair is sopping wet. I had a retie it up. That was quite intense. There was one move I couldn't do, so I just alternated and modified it. I'm not as strong as I used to be. I need to get into it again. All I've been doing for the last 3 weeks was literally walking, and I think I had 2 weight sessions in 3 weeks, so it wasn't a lot. Anyways, time for cool down.